Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to get mini Pekka emote in Clash Royale. First thing you need to check is the shop. Open Clash Royale and tap the shop icon at the bottom of the screen, then go to the emotes section, and if the mini Pekka emote is available, you can purchase it using gems or gold. Supercell also occasionally releases exclusive emotes in special events or challenges. Open the Events tab and check for any challenges that offer the mini Pekka emote as a reward. Complete the challenge objectives to unlock the emote. And finally, participate in clan wars, complete the tiers, and see if the mini Pekka emote is included. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.